Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to make a quick pack opening for you guys. So these are for the WNBA moments. We had a challenge reward. Uh, it was to collect 5 WNBA moments, and it was any moment of your choice for Aja Wilson pack and early adopters pack WNBA moment. So this was pretty cool. So we're going to do a double pack opening. So let's go ahead and do the early adopters first. Play a little bit of music just to check it out. Alright, pretty cool. Let's see who we get. Lakers Sparks, Fandom, 69. Brittany Sykes. Yup. I think that's the one we wanted. So I believe we got a really great player. Uh, really awesome. Brittany Sykes. Um, serial 6921 out of 19,000. So the serial's not bad, and it's pretty good. Let's see how much she's going for in the on the market real quick, just so we can gauge where she's at. 14 bucks, so that's not bad, especially for getting her for free. So that's pretty good. Um, let's go back to the other pack and open. Let's see what cereal we get for the Aja Wilson moment. This is pretty much the only reason I went for the challenge. So let's see what we get. I thought it was gonna be different music, so let's go ahead and see what's up. Las Vegas layup cereal. Seven, not bad. The cereal's not too bad. That's pretty dope. I dig the moment. Cool. Let's see what she's going for in the marketplace. Let's see where she's at. She's going for 11 bucks. Not too bad. It's all good. See the Top Shot debut is going for 100 bucks, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What did you guys pull? Did you guys pull any WNBA moments? Let me know what's up. Have a good one and peace out.